Be yourself, improve yourself, and profit from yourself. Dan Co., a one-person business model. The first thing you want to do is set life goals. Start by setting some life goals. What problems do you authentically want to solve in your own life? These will form the values of your one-person business. Your branding is your values. You take care of your branding when you identify the things that you want to solve or the things that you value in your life. The four main areas that we all have in life, or the things that we commonly want to solve as humans, deal with wealth, health, relationships, and happiness. Think about those four areas and the goals that you authentically want to solve in those areas. The second thing you want to do is pursue your goals and solve your problems. Focus on solving your own problems, work daily at, and use books, podcasts, videos, and so on to educate yourself when you hit obstacles. Self-experimentation is going to be key here. Think about this like product development. The third thing you want to do is document your journey. As you're going through that journey of solving it, solving your own problems, you want to document your wins, your losses, and your insights online. You can do this through a podcast, a newsletter, social media, really whatever you want and feel comfortable creating, create that. And the goal should be to help your past self to improve themselves. Give your past self actionable advice that they can use to improve their life. Write to yourself. This allows you to attract and build an audience facing similar challenges and that like to hear you talk about how you're solving it. So this is your marketing and this is your audience building. The next step is going to be create a product or a service. So as you're doing that, you're eventually going to solve that problem. Once you solve the problem, you have a unique path and a unique solution to a real world problem. Turn that into a system, refine it so that others can use it to also reach their goals. This is your product or your service. You can think about ebooks, courses, whatever it is that you want to sell. Now you have that real world solution. Okay. The next thing you want to do is focus on helping people. So as you're doing that, refine your systems to help people, continue to help people to achieve their goals through your free content, your paid products, and or your services. Improve the design. All right, and the last thing you can think about is continuing to evolve. This one-person business model allows you to grow with it. Once you achieve your goals, you can set new goals and repeat the process. This allows you to expand as a one-person business. The great thing about building online is it's kind of ceilingless. You can just keep building, right? If I have a digital product, I can sell that product, 1 million times or 10 times, and it really makes no difference to me. Right, I can make as much money as I'm able to sell. Whereas with a physical product, it can be much more challenging. Okay, this is my breakdown of the one-person business model. I learned this from Dan Co. I thought it was very valuable for me and how I'm thinking about running my businesses as a one-person business. I hope you can apply this. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, share it, or just come back next week. All right, bless and peace.